Look at that funky ass dude.
Dude, what the heck, bro? You can't slam Ochoa right now.
Look, I'm gonna juke him.
Say to Baba, look, I'm gonna juke. Juke? What the juke? She's lagging and she is a kalbo. Wait, guys. But this is over right now. We're gonna video to well that reveal his face in
No,
part
I'm
3.
not. I'm not
I'm
gonna do a
reveal his
face
face in
reveal.
part 3.
I'm not gonna do a face reveal.
That is a part 4. Part 4. In part 5, guys. Or part 3 or part 4. Nagmura namin iba. Di part 3. Okay, fine. Part 3, we're gonna reveal the pro hunter here. In part 3. Ate Velvet is pro. It's the pro GGs. And she is the top. Top one. Look. Hey, look at him. Hey. That is not funny.
Oh, I got the gun!
Hell yeah. Go.
Don't distract me.
Oh, that's okay. Go.
Oh!
What the?
He's spam jumping.
Why are you not a victim? You win.
Innocents win.
Oh.
Hindi ko siya na